in North Carolina, Anson and Stanley. Flood warning in effect until late tomorrow morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Rocky River near Norwood. When? Until late tomorrow morning. Impacts at 16.0 feet, action stage. The river begins to overflow its banks in some areas upstream of the gauge site. At 20.0 feet, minor flood stage. There is significant overflow into adjacent pasture and lowlands. Additional details, at 2:15 p.m. Saturday the stage was 19.3 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 20.8 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. Flood history, no available flood history. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood